How to activate Home Depot credit card online. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate your Home Depot credit card online. The Home Depot credit card is issued by Citibank. It provides several benefits and features tailored for frequent shoppers on Home Depot. Now, in order to activate your Home Depot credit card online, first of all, you will need to go to the official page of Home Depot credit card. For that, you need to open any web browser on your device, and here you can just type activate Home Depot credit card. Once you have entered this keyword, now press the enter button and then you will be presented with the search results. Here in the search results on the top you will find this Citi Retail Services.citibankonline.com. You need to click on this first link that appears, which is the registration for your Home Depot credit card. Once you click on it, now you will be taken to this page from where now you can activate your card. In the left side you will find this interface where you will need to enter your card details, such as in this first box you need to enter the 16-digit card number. Once you have entered the 16-digit card number, in the second box, you need to enter the name exactly as printed on your card. Once you have entered the name, in the third box, you need to enter the 3-digit security code. You can find this security code at the back side of your card. Once doing that, in the fourth box, you need to enter the last 4 digits of your social security number. Now, after entering all your card details, click on this verify button at the very bottom, and after successful verification, you will be able to activate your Home Depot credit card online. After that, you will receive a confirmation that your card has been successfully activated. So in this way, you can activate your Home Depot credit card online. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.